Welcome to Study Loop.
So here in problem 136 from chapter 17, we're asked to derive a term, an equation similar to the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation, but that is used for a base. So it relates to POH and PKB. So let's go ahead and write a generic reaction here for the reaction of a base with water. And so the base will react with water to give OH minus plus the conjugate acid, or HB. We can write it either way. So KB, under these situations, would be equal to products over reactants, or the concentration of each. So concentration of OH minus times the concentration of HB, the conjugate acid, all over the original concentration of base. Now we can rearrange this here to be solving for the concentration of OH minus, which is equal to KB times the base over HB. So now let's switch colors. So we can take the negative log of both sides. So negative log of OH is equal to the negative log of the opposite side, KB times B minus over HB. So if we simplify this further, we can simplify the left side to be equal to POH, from the negative log of OH, and we can separate out our terms here. So the negative log of KB plus the log of, minus the log, we still have to keep the negative here, minus the log of base over the conjugate acid. So then we can simplify our term to get the final expression. So we have POH is equal to the PKB, which is formed from taking the negative log of the KB. And then we're going to change the sign of our log and flip the fraction. So the conjugate acid is now on top, and the base is now on the bottom. And this here, we have a term which is similar to the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation, but can be used for weak bases or basic buffers.